At Energetic, we started with a field service company, but it grew out to a machining facility supported by reverse engineering, capable of doing everything on service on turbomachinery.
We offer turbomachinery services from the highest quality throughout Europe for many customers from various industries, such as power plants, waste to energy, biomass plants, sugar and pulp and paper industry, chemical plants, and many other industries.
Over the past decade, we have invested in our people and in our technology, really expanding our facility with 5-axis machining, supported with big CNC lathes to do rotor repairs and complete impeller machining. We recently developed a babbitt lining facility where we can produce and repair hydrodynamic bearings. At Energetic, we try to do everything in-house, so we are strategically independent and we don't rely on subcontractors.
Our team at Energetic is a powerful blend of two generations. At one side, you have highly experienced technicians who have decades of experience with working on turbomachinery. On the other side, you have a new generation. They are professionals who are driven, have a passion for technology. They have innovating new ideas to bring to the company. These two generations makes a powerful blend.
At Energetic, we have a very extensive back-office engineering support who can support the customer throughout their problems, even when it's most urgent. At Energetic, we manage the entire process. We start with an inspection, complete the overhaul, and do even the recommissioning of your turbo machine.
Energetic introduced non-stop checks. These are site visits from one of our experts where they do an inspection around the machine in addition to vibration measurements. Through these vibration measurements, we can find out the condition of the machine, the internals of the machine, and we can provide very detailed information which cannot be obtained through a normal inspection. So with these measurements, we can prevent any safety issues or safety hazards and prevent any outfall of the machine. In addition to that, it also helps the customer to prevent the maintenance activities. We can find out more information on what components might need extra work or extra attention during the maintenance activities. This way, the customer can prepare the maintenance activities better with the help of Energetic, and we can prevent any delays.
To keep your turbo machinery running, we offer technical assistance from our back office experts. 24/7 call-out service, on-site troubleshooting, vibration analysis, boroscopic inspections, everything for the machine.
Compared to the traditional OEM services, we offer greater flexibility, more cost-efficient solutions, and shorter lead times, without compromising our quality.
No unnecessary delays, no shortcuts, just solid professional service from start to finish.
At Energetic, we do more than a major inspection. We do a major overhaul. We do the inspections, come with effects and findings reports, produce new parts, install them, and recommission the machine.
A good understanding of customers' needs is the key to make the difference. Total service, total care, and total commitment is the reason why we stand out.